another story about dogs. For the dog that don't eat on trees is a bitch. So says Snoop Dogg. So get your pooper scooper, cause the niggas talking shit.
I'm sipping on Tanqueray with my mind on my money and my mouth full of ganja. R-A-G to the motherfucking E. Back with my nigga S&OOP.
Yeah, and you don't stop.
Raging the fact that you've begun to rock.
I said yeah, and you don't quit.
Hey yo, Rage, would you please drop some gangsta shit?
I rock rough and stuff with my afro puffs. Handcuffed as I bust out to tear shit up. Oh, what did you think I did never think I would be
Been really, really nice, hasn't it, Mummy?
Never will there ever be another like me. You can play the left cause it ain't no right in me. Out the picture, out the frame, out the box, I knock the wall.
I'll freak Angela out a bit. Oh, Mummy just nearly fell over. That would have been good.
Yes, I am kicking up dust and